Web design. In our connected world, a website is a core part of any business, and choosing a good web designer can be a tricky challenge. After all, your website is the foundation of your online marketing activities. You've got to get it right. So whether you're just about to have your first website designed, or simply want to make your existing one better, there are some basics that you need to know. First, your website has one simple job: to turn visitors into customers. All your marketing efforts and techniques are built to bring visitors to your website for this single purpose. In marketing terms, we call this conversion. The better your website works, the more visitors it converts to sales. If your website is not converting, you're wasting money on all the other marketing techniques you're using to drive traffic to it, because a bad website simply won't convert. So you see why it's so important to choose a web designer who'll do more than design a website with some content, photos, and a link to your Facebook page. What you need is somebody who understands that a website is more than information. A website is a conversion tool that requires expert planning. You need somebody serious about web design. That's where we come in. Let us tell you about our unique 7-step formula for creating the perfect website for your business. Step 1 is all about analysis. We discuss with you important topics like the goals and purpose of your website, what audience you'd like to reach, and what kind of information you'd like to share. Step 2 is the planning stage. This stage involves defining a sitemap and structure, as well as selecting the technologies and tools we'll use to build the right site for you. Step 3 is all about design. Our design phase goes beyond visual style to include important factors like usability. When we reach Step 4, we're at the content phase. Here, we'll work with you to organize and optimize your text and media content while making sure everything is optimized for both people and search engines. Step 5 is the development stage. Now we're actually building your website using the latest in coding practices and standards. Step 6. Your site is built, but we're not done yet. Next comes the testing. We check all code and scripts for bugs and compatibility issues. At this point, we're also confirming that your website meets the goals we set out in Step 1. Step 7 is the final step. Now we're ready to deploy your site and launch it onto the World Wide Web. So you can see that web design done well is a multi-stage process, and through working with many happy customers, we've mastered it. We're here and ready to share our passion for high-quality web design with you. Let's talk.